Magandang hapon o good morning, good evening. Nandito na naman ako ngayon from Kisiluba Channel. Magluluto na naman tayo ng isang pasta na naman. Pasta. Sandali. Isipin ko pa ng pasta ko. Oh! I'm gonna make a linguine pasta with Alfredo sauce. I have to put meatballs. Okay? But this is this meatballs. I cook this one. I make this one from scratch. But next time I will show it to you guys. I will illustrate how I'm going to make from the beginning to the end, so that mayroon naman kayong idea para paano ko ginawa. Before we start, don't forget to like my channel, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat. Let's go. Umpisa natin. Oh. Ito na. Okay. Initin muna natin. Linguine pasta. Linguine pasta with Alfredo sauce and meatballs. Okay? Alfredo. You know, if you want to learn this on how I make my Alfredo sauce, just visit to my channel and Kisiluba Channel. I have an illustration over there. I make Alfredo sauce from the beginning until to the end. Malalaman nyo doon ng paano ko ginawa ang Alfredo sauce ko. Okay. Gigisa muna natin. Palagi ko maski tapos na ang ang sauce ko, at least lalagyan I have to saute with onion, garlic and onion. I need only the flavor, aroma. This is meatballs. Okay. I got the Alfredo sauce. My Alfredo sauce is kind of thick. Wrap it together. I just add a chicken stock to make it loosen a little bit. Okay, turn down the fire. Get the here. And linguine. Lagyan natin ng brown pepper, mixed herb, dry mixed herb, my sauce is too sticky, I'm going to loosen with chicken stock. Paano natin kay malagkit masyado, papalapot natin konti. Okay? Little more. Beside that, titikman natin. Palagi titikman natin. Always taste your food, okay? Oh, perfecto. Perfect. Okay, I'm done. It's nice when you cook, everything is ready. You prep in advance, because like in a restaurant, you're gonna prep in advance, because you cannot cook right there, because the customer, your order must be out within 12 minutes to 15 minutes, not going to 20 minutes. Because in a hotel, the place that I work, it reaches to 20 minutes and it is camp already. It's free. Because ang hinahabol nyo, speed, time, yun ang importante. Kung mga stick naman, iba. Kung mga ibang, pero kung pasta, mabilis yan. Talagang 10 to 12, maybe 5 to 7 minutes, done. Okay? Okay guys, samahan nyo ako sa pag-plate up. Paano ko gawin? Okay, here I go. This is how when you sit up, just like this. And you're gonna put over there in your plate and turn around your plate, okay? Making sure that your pasta, it will get so nice. It is pointed like a volcano. Okay, just like that. Turn around your plate. See that? Beautiful. And then see to it that our meatballs, I will put this on another side. This is only for one order. Okay? And you're gonna put your herb. Don't forget your Parmesan cheese and your sweet basil right on top. Okay guys, this is the one. Linguine pasta meatballs with Alfredo sauce. Okay? Simple. Simple lang. Ganito paggawa ko. Okay? Simple lang, mga kaibigan. Mga kaibigan ko dyan sa overseas, abroad. Ito lang ang paggawa ko. Pinamilya lang to kung sa pamilya, kung ano, bilisan. Mga ano na to, less than 12 minutes done already. Because you have to make this one, if you have a restaurant, mayroon ka mga bisita, you have to do it in advance. Prep everything. Because pag service, in 12 minutes is done. Kaya kung ma-restaurant ka, tandaan nyo ang mga customer nyo, 30 minutes, some are 30 minutes break, 1 hour break. Kaya mag-order pa yan. Kailangan in 12 minutes out the order. Walang excuse. Kung mabot ng mga 20 minutes yan, iba ng story. Baka sabihin na, oh, free na yan. Oh, wala kang magagawa. O minsan, tumatayo, nag-walk out. Yun ang ano dyan. Sige. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe for me. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, maraming salamat from Kisinova Channel.